That's even worse. You graduated class of 2029. I mean 2029. You still mad about your teacher calling you slow? I don't even remember having my teachers' names. I only remember Miss Blakely and Miss Wilson and Miss Wilkers. I don't even remember all their names. And Barnett, 2029. Oh, 2019. Why do I keep doing that game? I think, like, honestly, I'm the slow one, Dezz. I don't even think it's you. I think it's me. Why the f do I keep doing that? Yeah, but he keep talking about how he gonna kill somebody and all types of shit.
They say, oh, Guy with your son, he got a mental issue, he got loose screws. Miss Cleaver, man, he was right on God. Right.
Yeah, the way that Dezz be acting, I do think the dude got some loose screws. I would not be shocked or surprised. I think they're a little off the chambers. That need a Snickers. He the type of you gotta sit in the back seat of the car when he driving. Cause I'm not playing the around with you. If you attack me, I'm you out with a seatbelt. I think he got like a bipolar disorder or something. Cause he the type, y'all be talking about going to the swimming pool about to do a workout. And I gotta go hide and I gotta go settle it. Oh no, I ain't on that. Get me the fuck about this right now. I ain't trying to get up with your ass. Yeah, I gotta catch you real quick. I gotta go put this thing in the trunk. Crazy. No, you better get your ass out of my face.
Guess what I got? Let them mother if they want to.
No, it's not the teacher. It's the principal. What? He made it. I barely even spoke to my principal. He was always in the office. Oh, my brother Kev sent me some subs. Thank you, Kev. But yeah, I don't know. Dezz is cray. I could tell. You ain't even gotta tell me. I do want to go to the gun range, but it's like, I don't even know. The cleaning lady about to come anyway, so it's like, should I stay here? It's giving he need medication. I'm always sleepy. No, I'm not. Well, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I did wake up at 4 o'clock this morning, and the issue is I keep going to sleep too early. Like, I'll go to sleep like at 8, and then wake up like at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, no, that's why I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just stay here. I'm not leaving her in the house by myself. That's why I'm like.
Maj just tipped $2. Look up Dezz and Rakai argue on TikTok. Look it up now.
Let me see.
New York City, not upstate New York. See? New York City. New York City. See? New York City. New York City. New York City. New York City. See? New York City. See, gang? You fake. Oh, in the bed. You're bugging, gang. What a bro. Come on. He's 16. The nigga's a kid. He's a kid. He's a kid. Grown man shit. Ain't no grown man shit. Call him to it, bro. All your homies what's up? All your homies broke his hood. Come on. Get your vehicle at the hood. Come on, bro. He's really weird, man. Come on, they dragging it, bro. It's like I can't even tell when, like, like, bro.
This is old.
Turn off his mic. 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 Bro, yeah, bro, come on. Come on, bro. What is wrong with you? Are you saying that? Shut up! You talking crazy. Look, Green. Look, gang. Gang, you tripping. Y'all both tripping, gang. I know I'm a king. Go in the back. You even called your man and say, tell me how I get. Some dirty shit. That's what I did. He called Uncle Boys. Watch this.
The way that Kai be looking at Dezz, it looked like Dezz breath smell like.
Yo, come on, get out. Get the out, man. Get out. Oh yeah, get out.
Dezz, he look like he got morning breath. Yo, I can't. No, but I ain't gonna lie. Dezz do know how to sing. I think that if he really stopped with this little anger, shut up. He could sing. That could sing. I seen like a little clip of him, and it was like, let me see, let me put it on. What is it called? This right here.
My mom said it's fire. My mom like the way. Get off of my D. Get off my D. Get off of my D.
This is a little catchy. I'm like, oh, this is good. Get off of my dick. Get off of my dick. And then he did like the little blues with it. Like he did like the little blues. I was like, okay, that's a good song. I was like, oh. Why does he keep mentioning my... He want to be my friend so bad, bro. Like... Yo, you're like, he's so weird, gang. Like, he's just so weird. That want to be my friend so bad. Like, Mara. Let me see. She watching me. What's up, Mara? You good? I'll pull up right now and throw a snowball at your head.
What the hell?
You see it, right?
Hold on. Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, I'm in a D league.
Y'all want to go sledding?
I'm in a D league.
I should take my phone. I need something I can sled in.
Oh, it is cool. Wow.
What can I use?
Yeah, let's go, y'all.
I create the money guy. Are you not sure Yes.
He just said hi.
Chat, come on, yo.
Why would y'all tell her? Why would y'all tell me that she's watching?
Chat, can we
Like,
why is Maj watching my live? Why is Maj watching my live?
they just said that you was watching me, so I was watching you.
Watching your live? White boy Maj. Who the hell is that? A guy that got like 1 million followers on TikTok. You say he watching you?
Why would y'all tell me that she's watching?
I wasn't watching Maj at first.
Famous or something?
Watching me.
Yeah.
So I was watching
Man, she went to jail for it.
Because they're trolling. It's called trolling.
Girl, shut the f up before I come around the corner and throw a snowball at your motherfucking and have you sit right there looking stupid on TikTok live. Don't you say else to me. I don't f with you.
I wasn't watching Maj at first. Famous or something?
Until he broke your iPhone, bro.
Called trolling. Yeah.
Shut the fuck up before I come around the corner and throw a snowball at your and have you sit right there looking stupid on TikTok live. Don't you say
Shut your blocked head ass up. That's like, why is your head? You got a cereal box head. Your head.
girl, shut the f up with that swole ass potato ass kid. Then you got a synthetic wig on that ain't even laid down correctly. You look like a monument if we really being honest. You ugly baked bean ass kid.
Shut your blocked head ass up. Can you take me shopping? Or can you pay for my my hotel room? Can you?
You got a synthetic ass wig on.
Can you pay for my hotel room?
You look like a monument.
Please. I'm sorry. Can you pay for my hotel room, Maj?
I ain't paying for
Give me
shit.
some food.
I'm gonna pay for you to have common sense. I'm paying for that to have some common sense. Oh, maybe I should go to my P.O. box. Come on, let's drive to my P.O. box. Cause y'all keep telling me to go there anyway. Get off of my dick. 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 Hold on, I gotta get off of my. Maybe I should make my own freestyle. I said from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I said get off my because you is lit. Hold on, I gotta like sing it. Get off of my. Get off of my dick. Get off of my dick. Hey Alexa, play some jazz music. Shut the fuck up! Hey Alexa, play music to 5. Hey Alexa, turn volume up. I said shut the fuck up. You got out the cage? 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 You got the cage? You got out the cage? You got out? You got out the cage without telling me? Get out the. Hi, my baby. Hi, my girl. Say hey, Lil Fifi. Say hi, my. Oh. Damn, girl, hold up, slow down there. The tree ain't going nowhere. Damn, you hungry. Damn. Damn, girl, chick not going over what you hungry. You just say, damn. Go ahead, fun. That a Cookie Monster. Wait, let me show y'all the difference between all three of my dogs. Wait, that's one dog eating the treat, right? Watch how Lil eat his treat. Come on, Lil, you next. Come on, boy, you ready? 3, 2, 1. So that's what he got the treat. Okay. Look. You want mine? Okay, this is Loyal. Alright, take your treat, boy. Take a treat, boy. Here, take one. Take a treat. Get a treat. Come on, eat. Eat. Okay, here. You want it? See, Loyal don't care. Mine up his haircut. Boy, I tried. Here, Loyal, take the treat. Oh, he wasn't going to eat. Loyal is the most pickiest dog. Okay, then we got one more dog. This one. This dog is not a poodle, nor is he a puppy. This is a big dog. He is big as. I don't know what type of dog this is, but this really fooled the out of me. Okay, let's see how he eats his treat. Ooh. Hey Alexa, play jazz music.
Teeing up jazz in the background on Spotify.
Hey Alexa, skip jazz song. Damn, where the fast jazz? Hey Alexa, turn the music up a little bit. Eat. Eat. Eat this shit, nigga. Here, take it. Good boy. Go ahead. Come on, little PP. I know you eat this shit real quick. Come on. Waste no time. She don't waste no time. Damn, well, mama, you sure know how to eat. That bitch will snatch the bone. Do you hear me? She don't give a. She eats whatever the she needs to. That bitch know how to eat. She dig that shit down. Anna should have said, Anna, you should have ate that shit, brother. You're the only one without a snack. Look, he looking at all the dog bowls. I done trying to. I done looked at all 5 dog bowls and even looked around it to see. Here, I'm gonna give you a treat. Come on. Here, take one. This is Honor's. Back it up. Come on, Honor. You're the only one who ain't get one. She gotta go upstairs with the puppies. Y'all, the puppies is moving. Hold on. Come on, people. You gotta go upstairs. Come on, Fifi.